Hello everybody, in this video we're going to go through adding and subtracting polynomials so that we can find the perimeter of certain objects. So right here it asks for the perimeter of a rectangle. The perimeter comes from whenever you add together all sides. But the thing that's unique, or the thing that's special about a rectangle, is that two of the sides are going to match. The long side is going to match the long side, and the short side is going to match the short side. That's true for every rectangle. I normally consider the side that's going sideways as the width. It doesn't matter if you consider that the width or not, because if you just rotate the rectangle, it's going to give you a different number. If you turn this rectangle like this, then if I measured sideways, that would be the width, and it would be the short side. So it doesn't matter which one you call the width, which one you call the length. But I'm going to be calling this one the width. 2x squared plus 4x minus 8. I'm going to be calling the short side that's going up and down on my page, I'm going to call that the length. The length is going to be equal to 3x plus 8. The formula for the perimeter of a rectangle is twice the width plus twice the length. If I'm going to do twice the width, then I'm going to do twice 2x squared plus 4x minus 8, all inside of a parentheses, plus twice the length, and the length is 3x plus 8. I will have to distribute the 2 to each of these parentheses. That's a 4x squared plus 8x minus 16 plus 6x plus 16. I have a minus 16 and a plus 16. Those will balance out. And then I have only a single 4x squared. And I need to add together the 8x and the 6x. Those together make 14x as the perimeter. The perimeter for a triangle, this one doesn't have a special formula, at least as far as I know. I'm sure that somebody has made a formula before, but in the two examples that we have here, you just add all the sides. So let's add together 3x minus 10 plus 3x squared plus 2x plus 7 plus x squared plus 4x plus 2. Okay, so I put parentheses there, but I put the parentheses so that way I knew, just in case there was a minus sign, because I saw that first one and the first one had a minus sign. Just in case these other ones had minus signs, I needed to know that what's inside this parentheses is exactly the same as what was originally given. It's possible that if I was using a different formula, I might accidentally change the signs without meaning to. So the parentheses kind of helped me make sure I was copying it correctly. But now that we know that we're just adding everything together, we can erase the parentheses. We can erase the parentheses because we are only adding. There was nothing in front of this parentheses that we're multiplying. So there's nothing to distribute, so we don't need the parentheses. Let's combine, starting with the highest power. 3x squared plus x squared, and now we have the regular x's, 3x plus 2x plus 4x minus 10 plus 7 plus 2. Three x squared plus x squared makes 4x squared. Those are going to make plus 8x. And those will combine to make a minus 1. that will be equal to the perimeter. Perimeter is equal to 4x squared plus 8x minus 1. Okay, I'll help you set up this one, but really you should be able to do this on your own. The perimeter equals add all sides. But the problem is we don't know what this side length is. But we do know what the perimeter is. So then somehow 20x squared plus 8x plus 4 comes from adding together 4x squared plus 8x plus 1, and this right side also, plus 3x squared plus 6. Somehow this left side needs to be equal to this right side. Find out what you need, what's missing, what this length needs to be. If we add some third length, how much does that length need to be, so that whenever you add everything together, you get that perimeter that they gave you. Good luck.